You guys, we're here today in North Lake Tahoe, parked at Squaw Valley. We're gonna ride this little trail into Tahoe City. Beautiful, quick ride. It's free to do. It's a lot of fun. We got all the bikes, all the equipment. We're gonna go have a good time.
On three. 1, 2, 3.
So we made the bike ride, enjoyed some beers now, about to ride back. It's been glorious.
It's been a nice day, it's beautiful outside. It was kind of cold when we started, but the sun came out, so we enjoyed a few beers and going back to the RV and go camping.
Yeah. Get some time lapses for the night and enjoy the Tahoe wilderness.
So we made it to the campsite. We'll be here for the night. We rode our bike for about a few miles. I don't know.
6?
No, 6
Oh,
miles.
no, 12.
12 miles back and forth. Okay, yeah, we did 12 miles ride bike. It was really amazing. You guys will see some footage. Hopefully you guys like that. Yeah.
What do you have to say?
I cannot say nothing. Just look at it. It's magnificent.